tagapan. Tama ba ako? Lalapitan ng pop, bibigyan ng mic, at sasagutin nyo. Pag mali ang sagot, you will be escorted out. Basta pag tama yung sagot, tsaka lang naman, di ba? Pero tipong I will give a go signal kung kailan kayo magtataas ng kamay. Kasi baka linya pa lang, bida-bida kayo nagtaas ng kamay. So, bibigyan ako ng go signal. Ready? Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. Alright. Let's have uy, maganda yung premyo. Wait, check ko nga. Official. Maganda yung price nito. Queen of Tears official merchandise. So, alam nyo na. Palaban, hindi tayo papatalo sa mga ibang bansa, guys. Kailangan talaga tayo pinakakahusay. Let's start with our first keyword. Okay? Ready?
Fun.
Go! Okay, ate. Bigyan ate. Double time. Yung parang ganun siya. Okay, stand by. And 1, 2, 3, go! Descendants of the Sun is correct! Yes! Ang bilis naman. She's the one in front. Congratulations, my love! She got it already. Dapat isang ganun pa lang. Start na tayo para talaga naman. No coaching no coaching. Dapat pag tinawag kayo, tayo agad kayo. Are you ready? Yes. Don't make it so good. Make it hard. Okay. Pero actually, medyo mahirap na to. Pag nakuha nito, sobrang fun kayo talaga. Wala pa! Nakasakit kayo palay. Hindi pa naman, nag-drawing. And 3, 2, and go! Go! Yan. Si ate yan, go! Let's go. Takbo doon. Ay, no coaching.
Rachel.
Fight for my way.
Fight for my way is not correct. Next, baba mo na kamay. Baba mo na kamay, and go! O si ate, ito na sa harapan nyo. Ito. Yan. Okay, go. Go. The hairs is 10. Wait lang, stand by.
Rachel.
Baba ka.
Rachel.
And go! Yun, nakadilaw. Tayo ka tayo. Ikaw. May ganun dito. Yes, ikaw. Yes, tayo. Yes, there you go. Bawal ng coaching. Pwede na ba yun, Garet? Pwede na ba yun? Will you accept that answer? Okay, congratulations that you, Rahel, are Rachel Hughes! Alright, okay. Congratulations, you've won a Queen of Tears official merchandise. And we'll have our next word. Stand by. Are you ready? Okay. Pakibulang naman sa akin yung word na to. And go.
이거 맞추실 수 있을까요? 혹시 다른 단어 찬스 가능합니까?
Parang hirap naman to i-guess. Pwede ba palitan yung sariling word?
Show mo to, of course!
다른 사람 혹시 조금 덜 어려운 거. Pwede palitan ng hindi masyado mahirap?
Ay, hirapan natin! It's up to you. Do what your heart tells you.
이걸로 하겠습니다.
Na, ito na lang yung
Okay,
drawing ko.
ito na lang. Alright. Go!
Liberation.
Naka-blue siya. Stripe na blue.
My liberation no.
Oh, it's not. Sorry. That's not sorry. Oh, is it? My liberation no?
Lord, dito mo?
No, it's not. Okay. She is gonna keep on drawing, pero it's not the correct answer. Sorry. Alright. Go. Anytime, pag nahulaan nyo, taas na kayo ng kamay. Go. Keep on drawing. Medyo mahirap din to, actually.
Yes.
Yes.
Tao ka na kayo. Si ate nakapula, sa harapan.
Queen of Tears, Will of Destiny.
Is it? No! Oy, ayun. Sa gitna. Ano doon? Yung katabi na may parang yellow na kineme. Ikaw, taas ang kamay. Yes. Ay,
Queen of Tears, Diary!
Kaya naka-hear kami ah. Queen of Tears Diary. Is it correct?
맞습니다.
Yes, tama.
Correct! Yes! Uy, ano mo nahulaan yun? Pero congratulations! You have won Queen of Tears merchandise. Bakit diary din ang mapanalunan nito? Palakpakan naman natin guys sa mga nagawin. Of course, let's give a big hand to Chimon. Yes. Did you have fun?
아니 어떻게 이렇게 다 잘 맞추시는지 진짜 너무 신기했어요.
Well, I was really surprised. Nahulaan niyo talaga na napakagaling ninyong lahat.
Oh, yes. May nakamali din naman. May mali din naman. It's a balance. But congratulations. Especially the diary was so hard. Very hard. So,
Yeah, you did very galing ninyong lahat
well,
still.
yes. And please enjoy your official merchandise later. Now, would you like to have more games? Mahina, wag na lang. Huwag na tayo. Would you like to have more games? Yeah, there you go. So, now let's see what our next game is. For our second game, it's... Guess the drama OST title. Nahulaan nyo kaya ito? So basically, we will be playing just a few seconds of the song. And what you have to guess, dalawa. You have to guess the drama and the character name of Kim Ji-won. So if you just choose the drama, if you just choose the character name, wrong. Kailangan pareho mo. Ready na ba kayo? Very hard, because of course. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready? Yes. So, I hope that you guys listen well. Dun sa music natin, we're gonna play it in a bit. Let's proceed with our... Yes. Okay, so ang magsasabi kung tama yung napanalunan ng fan, nahula ng fan is si Kim Ji-won. So Kim Ji-won will decide if you got it correct or not. Para naman walang sisihan. Sabi niyo, ay tama naman. Siya nung sabi. Alright, so let's proceed to our first song.
I love
Drama
always.
name and title of the character name, ha? Drama and...
Always.
윤영주, 사랑해!
Correct! Is it correct?
맞습니다. 대학의 윤영주.
Tama po.
Ayan!
Diba?
Congratulations, girl! Tama! Guys, okay lang naman sabi ko. Pero baka kasi naririnig ni G1 sa in-ear. So, kalmahan lang natin. Kasi parang, ganun siya. Alright. No problem sa akin, pero baka lang sa ating artist medyo malakas siya. So, thank you very much and congratulations! Congratulations! Now, let's proceed to our next song.
근데
Yes.
그 드라마랑 역할 이름을 맞추시면 노래 제목까지도 맞추셔야 돼요.
Actually, hindi lang yung character saka yung title ng drama ang kailangan nyo hulaan, pati din yung kanta, yung song title din.
Okay, so drama, song,
Title.
drama title, song title, character ng
그렇게 해서 맞추시는 거예요? 아니면 드라마랑 역할 이름만 맞추시는 거예요?
Ano ba dapat? Di ba, yes po, dapat po the title of the song and the title of the drama.
Drama, ang according sa director, drama name and character name.
드라마 제목, 역할 이름. 드라마 제목, 역할 이름만. 저만 혼자 지금 이해 못하겠었네.
So actually, drama and tama, yung character lang sa drama lang pala. So
Yes.
tama kayo.
Yes.
So we go for the title of the song and the drama and the name ng character na piniportray ko doon sa drama na yun.
Title ng drama, Ben. Not the song. Title of the drama
And the character.
yes, not the song. Alright. Are you ready? Is everything clear? Mataas bang energy? Parang lumalala yung line na. Let's proceed to our next song.
Kali ka.
Okay, second floor. Oh, good luck. Okay, nag-request second floor. May nakita ko nakatayo doon. Oh, yung naka-orange. Naka-orange. Dito sa, ano ba to? Lodge ba to? Yung medyo nasa harapan. Ayan, si ate, naka-face mask. Naka-face mask ka ba? Yes, correct. That one. Oh, puntahan mo na sila. Lumapit na ng very, very light. Yes, yes. Let's go. Paano na rin lumapit sa kanila para naman hindi kayo hihintay? Try lang natin ang medyo gumalo ng very light. Try natin. So habang hinihintay natin, umakit sa second floor at takbuhin ng mga staff. Ayan na, nakarating na. Okay, what is the answer?
Hong Hae-in and Queen of Tears.
Is it
Answer is right.
Yes! Congratulations! Ikaw din ay nagwagi ng Queen of Tears official merchandise. Palakpakan naman natin guys yung mga sumali. And of course, Kim Ji won as well. Honestly, did you know all of the answers in the questions?
사실 시간이 좀 걸렸는데요. 팬분들보다 좀 늦게 알았던 것 같아요.
Sa totoo lang, it took me some time to get it, pero parang mas magaling yung mga fans, mas mabilis kayo sumagot kay sa akin.
Yes, yes. Now, palakpakan natin guys si Jiwon for drawing for us, for answering her question sa kanyang profile. And once again, to the fans who got the answers correctly earlier, you may claim your prizes, official merchandise from our pump staff. So thank you so much. And sadly, I heard that word sadly because I know what comes after that. It is now the end of our time for Be My One in Manila. Yes, it's our first time to meet up close the fans in Manila. Tsaka sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Do you guys agree? Parang gusto ko natin extend ng mga 3 hours pa, no? Kung pwede lang talaga. And of course, because the fans are so sad na ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, and we have, of course, to wrap up this show, can we have this moment to allow the fans to capture the beautiful photo of Kim Ji-won for their souvenir with a good name?
Of course.
Alright, let's start with the right first. Alright, we'll stand, Ji-won will stand up so that you guys can take better photos of her. Okay, there. Okay. Now is your time. Ilabas nyo ng mga cellphone nyo. So, let's face the left side first. There you go. Ayan. Left side muna. Pwede mo malakpak din. Pwede mag-cheer. Oh. Yes. Thank you so much. And of course, here at the right side, we'll go to the center, don't worry. Right side muna. Yes. Alright. Now, G1? There you go. Okay, let's go.
Cutie. Yay!
Yes, and at the count of 10, I'll give you 10 seconds to take more photos. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Thank you. And of course, G1, I'll just get your mic before we end. Yes. Would you like to share your thoughts with your Filipino fan about tonight's fan meeting?
와, 진짜 엄청난 에너지를 받는 시간이었어요. 사실 제가 좀 이렇게 즐거운 시간을 드리고자 함께 하는 거라고 생각했는데 더 제가 더 많이 받고 너무나 열정을 많이 받아서 앞으로도 더 좋은 모습 많이 보여드려야겠다라고 더 많이 생각하는 시간이었고요. 처음부터 정말 끝날 때까지 지치지 않고 응원해주시고 함해주셔서 정말 너무 감사했습니다.
Well, first of all, I really want to say thank you. Salamat talaga sa inyong lahat because I got so much energy back from you. At first, I thought na ako ang magbibigay sa inyo ng saya, but actually it was the other way around. I got more of this happiness from all of you. I got so much passion recharged. So it really made me feel that I have to do better for the future and I have to really work, show you more a better side of me. So salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat.
Yes, guys. Thank you all so much. Now, narinig din natin ang message ni G1 for all of us. How about we give her our we love you as well? So on the count of 3, let's say, we love you. Okay lang ba yun? Alright, and 3, 2, 1! We love you!
I love you too.
Bring up your banners. Let's go! Oh, thank you.
지원아, 나는 영원히 그리고 더 오래 너와 함께 할 거야. 너무 감동적이에요. 진짜 너무 감사합니다. Thank you so much.
Nakaka-touch na nakasulat sa ating banners that you will forever be with me. Thank you so much. Na-touch ako sobra.
Right. And of course, we're sure that G1 would love to come back for all of our Filipino fans. Will you still be attending pag bumalik siya? And of course, we hope that it would still be with Pop Live World para talaga namang quality ang fan meeting at buo at maraming perks. So, by the way, at the end of this event, guys, please do not go away kasi meron pa kayong high-five, okay? Alright. So, thank you guys so much. We hope that Be My One with G1 here.
안녕하세요, 김지현입니다. 앞으로도 좋은 연기자 또 좋은 사람이 될 수 있도록 노력하는 한 해가 되도록 하겠습니다.
천사입니다.
또라이야. 나는 예쁜 척하는 게 아니라 그냥 예쁜 게 그거를 남들이 나 예쁜 척하는 거라고 보니까요. 에라도 힘들어. 에라는 싫어. 똥만이가 안 했으면 좋겠어. 모래박 불사르니 나가리니 개소리는 안 했으면 좋겠어. 응?
여기엔 이랜데. 아, 남자? 나 처음 들어보래. 남편은?
한 번은 채워주고 싶어. 그러니까 난 추웠나. 나는 우아한 애탄이야. 연미정의 인생은 구씨를 만나기 전과 만난 후는 아닐 것 같다는.
지원 씨는 현장에서 항상 웃는 얼굴이에요. 그리고 굉장히 성실하고요. 그리고 실제로도 주변에 있는 사람들께 비탄을 많이 나눠줬어요. 저에게도 중국과 당 떨어졌죠? 이러면서
임지원 씨는 간식을 굉장히 좋아합니다. 초콜릿, 과자 이런 거 스태프들이 막 나눠주고 배우를 살뜰하게 잘 챙기는 그런 친구가.
친구는 젊은 친구인데도 불구하고 모든 스태프들, 그러니까 누구에게나 어느 누구에게나 똑같이 너무 배려심이 있고 그냥 절로 어떻게 저런 애가 다 있지? 너무 예쁘다. 연기뿐만이 아니라 저런 인성을 가지고는 어디서도 정말 사랑받을 수 있는
1년 동안 이 마음속에 알콩달콩하고 또 쿵쿵하는 그런
일단 제가 물을 무서워하니까 수영 자체를 못해서 일단은 수영을 먼저 배웠고요. 근데 그게 아무리 준비를 해도 좀 무섭긴 무섭더라고요. 준비를 하면서 느꼈던 건 많이 준비를 하고 이런 것보다 그냥 그 두려움을 확 뛰어드는 게 제일 좋은 방법인 것 같아서.
제가 김지원이라서 팬분들이 저를 딩이라고 부르시는 것 같더라고요.
제가 딩이라서 팬분들이 동생? 너무 감사합니다. 저는 팬분들을 생각하는 시간이 하루인데 그 하루가 24시간일 거예요.
much your Filipino fans love you. What can you say about that?
네. 아니 사실 뭔가 있겠지 그런 생각을 했었거든요.
Also, to pag-ibig na siguro meron pa hinandang surprise.
아이고야 노래를 이렇게 불러주실 거라고는 정말 생각을 못했는데 너무 감사해요.
Pero hindi ko talaga na-expect na kakantahan niyo ako. And it was really touching. Salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan naman isa't isa, guys, and thank you for serenading Kim Ji-won tonight. So let us celebrate this moment. Shall we take a group photo with the fans? Would that be okay? All right. Would you like to take a photo with them? What's your background?
네.
And there you go.
네. 아 제가 원래 눈물이 많이 나요. 아 감사합니다.
Hindi ako masyado pala iyak, pero naiyak niyo ako ngayon.
Oh, to be fair. Congratulations! Alright, so here's our official photographer. Here's our official photographer there. There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay, raise up your banners, guys. Make some noise! One more. What pose do you want? There. Pinoy na Pinoy. Pina-ace si Kim Ji-won. Thank you so much. And thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Alright, so
Wala uwi! Wala uwi! Wala uwi!
그러면은 다시 영상 처음부터 시작해 주시고
Okay, then can we replay from the first video? Tayo na ulit.
But guys, it's time to wrap up Kim Ji-won's first Asia fan meeting tour, Be My One in Manila. And of course, before we say goodbye, could you share with the fans about your upcoming plans? What can they expect from you?
지금 가장 빠른 시일 내에는 이제 아시아 팬미팅 투어를 계속해서 해나갈 예정이어가지고 그 스케줄 잘 마무리하고 행복하고 좋은 추억들 팬분들과 쌓을 예정이고요. 저는 또 앞으로 여러분들에게 또 다른 작품으로 또 다른 캐릭터로 인사드릴 수 있도록 계속해서 노력하고 있을 예정입니다.
Well, first of all, my plans are really to finish off very well my remaining Asian fan meeting tour stops sa iba't ibang mga lugar. And after that, I'm preparing for my next project to give you also something about this fan meeting. So I hope you all look forward to those two soon.
Yes, of course, we will be continuing to support Kim Ji-won in her future projects, right? Yes, and of course, Ji-won, if you could describe the Philippine fan meeting in one word, what would that be?
아니에요. 뭐 이거 너무 귀엽고 너무 좋지만 정말
진짜 감동? It was actually the hand signature that tinuruan niyo ako. It was actually fun and cute, but maybe to wrap up the whole the Philippines fan meet, maybe I would say heart-touching.
Yes!
처음부터 이렇게 끝날 때까지 이렇게 굉장한 에너지로 애정을 계속 보내주셔서 정말 감동이었고요. 그리고 여러분들께서 한 목소리로 노래를 불러주시는 거를 들은 순간을 저는 오래오래 기억할 것 같아요. 너무 감사합니다.
Well, thank you so much. That from the start hanggang ngayon, your energy has been very amazingly supportive. And not only that, kinakantahan niyo ako as one voice. It was something that I will actually cherish it for a very long time. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan.
Yes, guys! And I'm sure she will never forget the Philippine audience. Trust me. They never do. Kasi talaga namang maraming salamat sa pagbigay niyo ng energy from the start until now. Thank you guys so much. And hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Kasi after nito, please do not go away yet or go home yet dahil meron pa kayong high-buy session with Kim Ji-won. So, just wait for the instructions from the Pulp Live staff. And don't miss your chance to have a high-buy session and personally see up close Kim Ji-won. Now, of course, before I leave, I know that you're gonna have a last song for our audience, right? Handa na ba kayo pakinggan yun? Alright, so hindi ko na papatagalin pa. Maraming salamat po for your energy ngayong gabi. I hope that you enjoyed and I hope that you will take this moment and treasure it forever because this is an answered prayer for all of us, right? And this is the biggest manifestations of our dreams, correct? So thank you guys so much. We'll see you again next time. I am Craig Kim, your host. 감사합니다. Maraming salamat and thank you so